Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. A quick update here. In addition to what I said yesterday, don't think that wave X of E is finished in that triangle yet. So we take a look at that. Overall, assumption here still for XRP, and that has so far been a good forecast, that we are in this triangle, yeah. So XRP has not participated in one of the recent rallies. It did have a rally a little bit before and is now consolidating in this triangle. So from an Elliott Wave point of view, I would count this as a contracting triangle. A, B, C and D already complete. That is what we can at the moment at least assume, that A, B, C, D are complete and we are now in that E wave. The E wave consists also of three waves. My interpretation, this is a WXY pattern, a more complex correction, and this is valid as long as the wave E stays above the wave C low. So that would need to be above 42.2 cents pretty much. In this wave, so wave W complete, we can currently assume that wave X is happening. The wave X would be an ABC pattern. It looks to me like wave A is done, wave B is done, and we're now in a wave C to the upside. Yeah, and this is micro counting at its finest, so I don't really want to go into too much detail, but this could be a small 1-2 setup. Here wave 3, here a wave 4, a very long wave 4, and the fifth wave still missing. That would then complete the wave X. Yeah, it's only a small move up expected, and then we could come down in wave Y. That is valid. That is all valid as long as we stay below the wave D high, below 48.4 cents. I would still expect one more low in wave Y of E. So again, target is a bit difficult to calculate because I do not have a reliable top in wave X yet. Yeah, this still looks to me we could push once more higher, especially as long as we're holding very short term the 45.5 cent level. So expectation at the moment, we are still constrained here in the triangle. We need to complete wave X first, then come down in Y. That would complete a 3-wave move in the E wave of the triangle. Important is that the E wave stays above the previous swing low, which is low of wave C at 42.2 cents. And then the expectation would be that this triangle is breaking out to the upside. It would be considered a trend continuation pattern after a, let's say, fairly strong uptrend. On the flip side, it's a very massive triangle compared to that move to the upside. So, however, the volatility, as you can see, is reducing. Whenever you get that, whenever you see those prices contracting, the volatility is getting reduced. And that could carry on for a bit, but when you see that, that's typically when you expect a volatile and very strong move to happen in the near future. And we are holding at the moment above the 50-day moving average. Now, if you look at that, it would be expected to break in a wave Y low. But still, generally, consolidation, sideways movement, and as long as we're holding above the wave C low, further upside in general expected, and the breakout of the triangle. But the very short-term price action I explained, based on the wave count here, and I showed you which resistance levels need to hold for that. And overall, my view is, even though that the general context of this chart is not clearly bullish yet, yeah, because critical price levels haven't been broken to the upside yet, the expectation would still be that there is short-term upside into the region around 75 to 80 cents. As long as we're holding that wave C low, because the wave C low is the first indication that the triangle isn't working out. Yeah, if we break below that, it would at some point invalidate the triangle. Really, the triangle only gets invalidated if you break below the wave A low. That's 41.7 cents, but they are so close together, and my view is, because they are so close together, if the wave C low is broken, the wave A low is probably broken as well, and that would break out of the triangle then to the wrong direction and would open the doors to much lower levels. But yeah, just a quick update really about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And yeah, otherwise, also check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.